In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel your SIP in MF Central. To do that, first log into your MF Central website. Enter your PAN number and enter your password or select OTP option, and after entering the OTP, you will be signed into the MF Central dashboard. On the home page of the MF Central website, here you can see an option called transact. Now click on it. Now you can see systematic transactions. Now click on it. Now you can see different mutual fund schemes in which you have invested. Among all, I have made Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund SIP through MF Central. So I am clicking on this view option. See, now the details of the SIP are showing here. Here you can see the fund house is PPFAS Mutual Fund. Here you can see the folio number. Here you can see the scheme Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund, and SIP date is 25th. And here you can see the installment amount is 1000 rupees and remaining bank account details, and the SIP start date and the SIP end date. To cancel the SIP, click on cancel here. If you want to pause, you can pause the SIP, but right now I want to cancel the SIP, so I'm clicking on proceed with cancel. Now you can see different reasons to select. Here you can select any of the one reason. I'm selecting will be restarting SIP after few months. Now click on proceed with cancel. Now enter the OTP. After entering the OTP, click on verify OTP. Here you can see the request is successfully submitted, and you can also see the success message. And if you want to track the request, click on track my request. Here you can see the status is in progress. Within 1 or 2 days, your SIP will be cancelled. And after cancelling the SIP, you can redeem or withdraw the mutual fund amount. To redeem the amount, click on home and click on transact. Here you can see an option called redemption. Now click on redemption, and here you can see the Parag Parikh FlexiCap Fund. Now select this scheme. After selecting the scheme, click on submit. Now you can see the investment details in that particular scheme. Here you can select the amount or the number of units. Or if you want to withdraw the entire mutual fund units, that means the entire amount, then select redeem all units and accept the terms and conditions. And if you want to check the amount, here you can swipe this arrow to the left side and select redeem full amount. Here you can see the total amount. Here it is 1,03,000 rupees. Now click on proceed. Right now I am not withdrawing the mutual fund. I just cancel my SIP. So if you want to withdraw the mutual fund after cancellation of the SIP, then you can follow this process. You do not need to wait until the cancellation of the SIP. You can withdraw the partial amount or the full amount even without cancelling the SIP. So this is how to cancel your SIP in MF Central website. Still, if you have any doubts, ask in the below comment section.